Hey, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty. I'm going to take you on a tour of my new listing at 11376 Malat Way in Culver City. It's a great home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an ADU with a garage. So a lot of times ADUs don't have garages. This home does. Great primary bedroom right here. You have a closet here, but check this out. You've also got a large closet here. So 2 closets. You have the pitch ceiling, which is lovely. And then in here we have the primary bathroom with dual sinks. We have a very large shower and then a private water closet. By the way, this is a 360 camera, so you can, let me get the right switch there. You can, it's best viewed on like a smartphone. In the YouTube app, you can look up, down, behind you. Even if you're on a laptop, you can do that. Right as we walk in, we have a, an entry closet. And then the layout is just fantastic here. You've got the dining area, formal living area, and then the kitchen. They just kind of all blend together. You have this huge island that you can sit up next to. We have full-size washer and dryer here, and this is kind of a cool thing. Check this out. You got a sink, like, to help clean stuff that you don't want to clean in your kitchen sink, right? Stainless steel appliances, Thermador oven stove combo, which is amazing. So if you're a chef or you like to cook, you will absolutely love that. Pantry's got a few leftover items in it, but you can see it's a very nice sized pantry. All right, we're gonna go check out the other 2 bedrooms. Oh, and you have this whole console system up here. You can put a really large flat screen, whatever you want. And again, lay it out however you want it. It's good. You have tons of space. Then you have 2 bedrooms, both very nice size as well. So we have closets with mirrors, and then there is another closet here for linens. And then we have a dual sink bathroom in here, which is lovely. It's great to always have a couple of sinks in a bathroom. And then the other bedroom with very, very large closet. All right, let's check out the back. And one thing I really dig about this home is when you're in this area, you've got all this natural light that can come in. It's lovely. Backyard is there's a lot of outdoor sitting space. It's not a huge backyard, but it's not tiny. You still have, you can have gatherings or little barbecues. There's a fire pit over there. While I'm over here, I'll show you the garage, and then we'll end in the additional unit. Now, this garage is huge. I guess if you wanted to, I don't know, you'd have to check on the permits and stuff. I don't want to say something that I don't know for sure, but it's big enough to be another unit if you want. And then, we have a lot of stuff stored in here, but it's a two-car garage with all this extra space. And then over here, this is where you have like the backyard. And then to enter the driveway, you actually enter off of, Playa Vista right here. And then there's plenty of parking along Playa Vista if you would like as well. But the other cool thing about this home is it's a cul-de-sac street. So because it's a cul-de-sac, you're not gonna have people passing through your street. It makes it really, really nice in that sense. All right, and another sink in here in the pool house in the garage. All right, another thing I'd like to point out is the windows are dual pane, vinyl windows. This HVAC system, I can't remember when it was replaced, but it's a newer system. It's very nice. And then over here, this is the ADU, but just to show you, there is like more side yard, lots of privacy with these hedges here, which is very, very cool. And let's see, I bet it's not, yes, it's locked, but we can fix that. I have the keys. Of course, since I'm a realtor, I have multiple sets of keys for multiple homes in my pockets. This is the one we want. ADU. I think you're going to be impressed with the size of this too. So we have perfect area for sleeping. You can also chill out over in the sitting area here. It's like a little living room. And then you have a full bathroom. So that's it. It's really great. You know, I think, yeah, they had like a big rod put up here to add even more privacy, which you could do as well. All right, that's it. If you want to take a look in person, give me a shout and I'm happy to line up a showing for you. Thanks for watching.